Whether you're streamlining workflows, improving engineering processes, or building your analytics expertise, the IBM Data Analyst Professional Certificate on Coursera can equip you with the tools to succeed. Operations managers can optimize efficiency and improve performance. With this certificate, you learn to analyze operational data with Python, query databases using SQL, and create dashboards with IBM Cognos Analytics to monitor KPIs in real time. Engineers can deepen their understanding of data workflows and integrations. You can gain skills to clean and structure data using Python, query complex data sets with SQL, and create visualizations to enhance team collaboration. For data analysts, IBM provides a solid technical foundation. You'll work with Python, Excel, and SQL while building advanced dashboards in Cognos Analytics that showcase your insights. From operations to analytics, IBM can help you build the skills you need to excel with data. Start learning today on Coursera.